Daily use basic English sentences with Urdu translation. उसे लाना मत भूलना. Don't forget to bring him. Don't forget to bring him. उसे पढ़ना नहीं आता. He doesn't know how to read. He doesn't know how to read. अब तक कुछ नहीं हुआ. Nothing has happened so far. Nothing has happened so far. आपके पास कहने को कुछ नहीं है. You have nothing to say. You have nothing to say. मैं मैनेजर से मिलना चाहता हूँ. I want to meet the manager. I want to meet the manager. कितने लोग आए हैं? How many people have come? How many people have come? तुम इतने खुदगर्ज कैसे हो सकते हो? How can you be so selfish? How can you be so selfish? Selfish के मानी है खुदगर्ज. आपने गलत नंबर डायल किया है. You have dialed the wrong number. You have dialed the wrong number. क्या मैं आपका मोबाइल नंबर हासिल कर सकता हूँ? Can I get your mobile number? Can I get your mobile number? वो क्रिकेट खेलने में मसरूफ है. He is engaged in playing cricket. He is engaged in playing cricket. वो हर वक्त अपने फोन पर मसरूफ रहता है. He is always busy on his phone. He is always busy on his phone. क्या आप मुझे परसों मिल सकते हैं? Can you see me day after tomorrow? Can you see me day after tomorrow? उसे अंग्रेजी बोलना नहीं आती. He does not know how to speak English. He does not know how to speak English. तुम बहुत भोले हो. You are very forgetful. You are very forgetful. इसमें तुम्हारा क्या नुकसान है? What is your loss in it? What is your loss in it?